Namaste everyone, welcome to our EVS class. In the previous classes we learnt about homes for animals. We also learnt about farm animals. In today's class we are going to learn about pet animals. Pet animals and how they help us. On the screen you can see a hamster, a rabbit, a dog, a parrot, right? And a tortoise. These are some of the pet animals. Let us learn more about pet animals, right? We already know that animals help us in different ways. Today, we will learn about the ways in which pet animals help us. Okay, how do pet animals help us? That is what we are going to read. Keywords are chasing, to run after something or someone. Tamed, an animal that has learned to live with humans, is called as tamed. Now let us observe this picture carefully. In this picture, what do you see? In the first picture, you can see the girl sitting happily and playing with the rabbit. Okay, and the second picture, you can see the ball is playing ball game with the dog. Here in the dog 2 picture is growling at strangers near the gate. It is near the gate and it is showing its teeth. It's growling. Okay. So here you can see the cat chasing the rat. Okay. Now let us fill up this table. Animals on left side and what it is doing. Just now we observed the animals what they were doing. Rabbit was giving company to the girl and it was making the girl happy. Dog one was helping playing with the boy and also helps him to stay healthy and fit. Dog 2 was near the gate and it was growling at the strangers. Okay, cat. What was the cat doing? The cat was chasing the rat. Now let us watch this video. Pet animals. Pet animals are the animals. Okay, here we have. So they give us company. Pets give us company. Pets keep us fit. And pets protect us from other animals and strangers. Right? What are the different animals doing? The rabbit and the girl are playing together. The dog is playing with the boy. The second dog, the dog is barking near the gate of the house. The cat is chasing the mouse. Now you can copy this table in your EVS classwork book. Rabbit was playing with the girl. Dog 1 was playing with the boy. Dog 2 barking at a stranger. Cat chasing mice. How do pet animals help us? Right? Pet animals also help us. In what way? Pet animals are domestic animals that live with us in our homes. They give us company when we are alone. Okay, when we are alone in the house, okay, they make us happy. They help us to stay fit and active. They also protect our homes from strangers and other animals. They make us feel safe. Right? Dogs, how they protect our homes? All of us know, no? They won't let strangers enter our house. Okay? And they won't let any other animal enter. Okay? They make us feel safe. Animal, how the animal is helping. Rabbit, what was the rabbit doing in the picture? It was giving company to the girl. What was the dog 1 doing? It was helping the boy to stay active and fit. Dog 2 protecting the house from strangers. You could see that dog 2 was near the gate. It was trying, okay, to keep away the strangers from the house. Cat was keeping the mice away from the house. Okay, it was chasing the mouse. Right? Now let's move ahead. Why can we not keep a wild animal like lion as a pet? Nana, can you bring a lion from the forest and keep it as a pet? We cannot keep wild animals as pets in our homes as they are not friendly. Wild animals are not friendly. They cannot be tamed. Animals like dogs, cats, they know how to live when in human surroundings. But wild animals, they cannot be tamed. Most wild animals are dangerous. Okay, lion, tiger, elephant, they can harm us. We must stay away from these animals. Now all of you open your worksheet, Nana. Open to worksheet 6.3. Put today's date. Okay, pet animals, tick the pet animals. Here there are some pictures of a rabbit, a bear, a rat and a cat. You have to tick the pictures of pet animals. Yes, you can tick rabbit. Okay, A, you can tick it, it's a pet animal. Bear is a wild animal, so don't tick it. Rat, no. Then you can tick the cat. Okay, A and D you can tick. Question 2, why do many people keep this animal as their pet? What is animal? It is a dog. Why do they keep, Nana? Because dogs are very friendly. Okay, they are the best friend for humans. They help the pet owners in many ways. How? They make them happy. Dogs make their owners happy. Okay, they keep the strangers away. Okay, they keep the animals or insects away by barking at them, and they respond to our emotions. Okay, and they guard our house. They guard our house from strangers and thieves. Question 3, why can we not keep a lion as a pet? A lion cannot be kept as a pet because it is a wild animal and it can harm us. Right. So let us move to the next content book and answer these questions. Okay, practice questions. First one, name 2 pet animals that are friendly. All of us know that dog is very friendly, so you can write number 1 dog, number 2 cat. Second question, Ritu's dog barks at strangers who stand near her house. Ritu likes to play with her dog. Write 2 ways in which dogs help you. Help Ritu. Okay. Ritu's dogs barks at the strangers and it is guarding the house. Okay, it is protecting the house from strangers and thieves. And at the same time, it plays with Ritu and makes her happy. Okay, the dog gives company to Ritu and makes her happy. Third question, is it easy to keep a wild animal as pet? Why? Why not? Wild animals are dangerous. They cannot, why? Because they cannot be tamed. Okay, they can harm us. That is the reason we cannot keep a wild animal as pet. Now all of you read the content book two times and underline new words. Read the lesson well so that you get knowledge. Right? That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.